When you get rid of your fear of failure, your tensions about succeeding, you can be yourself. Relaxed. You'll no longer be driving with your brakes on. Anthony DeMello.
We're taping, it's running.
So you're fresh out of school. Just got your first job. You're an intern. This is your dream job. You're the producer. You're a producer assisting, you're an intern assisting the producer for a rap video. You're in the studio now. It's your job to just manage the little stuff. They're little, but they can be significant if you don't get them right. In this case, what just happened is your favorite rappers come in. You've been in the studio for 2 hours and you just produced what you thought from your ears was probably one of his best songs. And you realized that you didn't hit the record button. Your goal now is you're explaining what just happened. Go ahead. And you're trying to keep your job.
That was phenomenal. Oh my God, that was amazing. That was absolutely amazing. Let me just bring that file back. Just give me two seconds. So how do you like Toronto so far?
It's amazing. It's amazing. I love being in TO. This is a great city, man. Lots of talent. Lots of talent. What'd you think of the song?
Fire, man, fire. That was probably one of the best tracks I think on your next
No worries. Take your time. Take your time. It's,
It was a lot. I really enjoyed that so much. I kind of got distracted. I'm sorry for my being so unprofessional.
No, don't worry about it.
You're one of my favorite.
And you at the job, right?
Yeah, I'm interning.
Oh,
It's a blessing to be working here. It's something I always wanted to do. And I just hope I can.
Yeah, like it's just between you and me.
Yeah.
I haven't been producing a lot of good songs lately, but I really feel like we got this one. Like this is it.
Yeah, we got this one. Something
So,
I can't.
What's happening?
Oh no, the computer's froze. I think. Let's just make sure.
Should I call Antonio, the producer?
No.
Need any help?
No, just. I'm gonna be completely honest. I'm slightly embarrassed. I don't even really know where to start.
Say it. It's okay.
Oh God, it's just I don't really know where to start.
Anticipation's killing me.
I didn't.
Then what?
Fire.
Whoa, chill, bro. Chill. Just tell me what's going on.
I didn't hit the record button.
You didn't hit the...
I didn't hit the record button. I thought I hit it, but I didn't, and we don't have any of that tape.
What about backup?
There's no backup because whatever you were saying into the microphone wasn't being recorded. Do you think you can do it again?
No, I can't do it again. That was a once in a lifetime shot. I don't even.
But same kind of energy. You do this for a profession. Like, I don't mean to be
Did
disrespectful.
I just tell you I've been in a stump right now? This is the best moment I've had in. Okay.
I'm sorry.
No, it's. Maybe we should call Antonio.
Oh God, no. Please,
You might be able to
please,
fix
please
something.
don't, please. I worked so hard to get to this position. Please.
Good. Pause. Okay, good.